Okay, what we need to do now is we're trying to shape this up. So I'm gonna use this as my roller or my guide, this one. And as you can see, we've got Bunakid, okay? Lakas Tama, Mag-Cobra Energy Drink, okay? Alright, so we got the pen tool pin now. We're ready to shape this up. Okay. Kaya nga dito, hawakan mo itong video natin. Yan. Hawakan mo ganyan, ganyan lang. Yan. Alright. So, okay. Walang kuurap. Ang kumurap, duling. So, okay, we're trying to shape this up, but it doesn't look like straight to me. What we're gonna do with the dessert, trying to work it out. There you go. Okay. Looking good.
Gary.
Yes, my boy. So, this is actually like an airplane. So it looks like an airplane, but you can see trying to shape this out like an airplane. So, what you're gonna do with the dessert? Okay, that's it. So, okay, looking good. That's it. As you can see, it looks like an airplane now. So what you need to do is just cut this off. Okay. Guys, let's have a look. We just cut this off and we tried to make some adjustment. And as you can see, it looks like an airplane now. So later on we'll open this up to make it like a proper boat. Okay. So just wait and see. Alright guys, as you can see, we just tried to open this up and yeah, you see the shape. There you go. You see, you don't need to buy some expensive toys for your kids, yeah? All you need to do is you just have to be creative at home, and that's it. That's it. So what we need to do now is just we'll try to wait for about a few minutes till they get very look at it. We just have to wait for about 5 minutes maybe to make it really stronger. That's it. So yeah, I'm calling this space crop. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's enough for that. What we need to do now is we need to cover this up, the top bit. Okay, so that when you're riding the boat, okay, you don't expose yourself directly to the sun. So you need to cover this up. Okay, so what we need to do now is just place the end down there on top and use this one as your guide so that we know where to cut. Okay, can you see it? Okay, when you're ready, just make your shape up there. And make sure that when you cut this one, you don't cut this directly here, so you make some space. Okay, that's it. Cut from here. Okay, the reason for that will give you something to hold. Alright, so what we need now is just cut it from here. Okay, right from there. Okay, so cut from there. So this is your center. If this is the center, so you shape up from here. right from the middle. Got it right there, and that's it. Okay, that looks okay to you. Should be alright. So what we need now is just cut it from there, from there, from there, and from there. Okay. So if you ask me why I'm doing this, you'll find out later on. Okay. So just squeeze it like that. Okay. Make sure that you made a proper line, like how do you call it? Like a diamond. Okay. There you go. Right. So that's your cover up on top of your boat. Look at that. Just place that in down there. And there you go. Looking good. How's that? Does it look good? So what we need to do is just try to stick this in. And you'll see the finished product later on, okay? So that will give you an idea how to do this. Alright. Alright guys, so we've just done the glowing side. As you can see, we're almost done. Okay. There you go. We'll just have to wait for about a few minutes, I think, to get them to stick together. Hey guys, as you can see, we got airplane boats here. Okay. Alright guys, as you can see, we got an airplane boat. Look at that. It's really good. It's looking good.